Today I'm going to show you how to use our new Element Selector to make visual edits to your apps. So if you have an app that you like and you want to change a very specific part of the application, you can now go into Assistant or Agent and click the Element Selector icon. From there, you'll actually be able to select individual components of your application to make changes. So say I want to change this message here. I'm going to select that and say, change this to say hi or drop a note with maybe a little, no, not that emoji, a peace emoji. Now when I pass this message to Assistant, you'll note I didn't really specify what I'm changing other than using the element selector. The magic here is that we're providing more accurate context to the tooling, so that AI is going to understand exactly what we want to edit. So just like that, we change the text there to say hi or drop a note. Now you can use this for any styling on your website, maybe change the appearance or format of different elements, and you can use it in Agent as well. So that's how you can use the element selector in Agent or Assistant to make more targeted visual edits to your apps. Until next time, peace.